really need to come up with an intro, or at least like make an intro of clips from, I don't know. But anyhow, it's Swaggy. I'm Swaggy. Germwick. Jermaine. God. Your Lord and Savior. Whatever you want to call me. It is I. The one. The only. The often intimidated but never duplicated. Impossible to re-replicated. Jermaine Bomboclat Swaggy. Like, yeah, I really have no idea what I don't know how people do intros. Gotta come up with one. Part 2. Let's get a cold start. Washers, and then whatever else. I'm gonna throw the lip on, and hope all goes well. We're also gonna get like some little brackets and little things like that, just to try and get this thing on secured as best as possible. And then after that, that's it. Simple thing, innit? One would hope, at least, because you know, you'd say something simple, then it's like 12 hours later. So, yeah. I'll get back to you guys in a little while when I am at the hardware store. I got most of the stuff. Now I just need a couple little brackets and stuff that I can makeshift the rest of the pieces to get this thing kind of buckled down. So, it's probably going to be something like this. Then you just screw it through, and like on the back part where the lip is flat, it's only on one side because the other side is broken, but I may be able to make something work with another piece. Who knows, but we'll make it work. So this thing fits super snug under the little ramp thing. So we're gonna throw this on and then put a bracket here. Then the other side we're gonna figure a bracket out, but yeah, it should be a pretty straightforward install. Hopefully all goes well and I don't need longer bolts, but should be good. Yeah, should be good. But oh man, like, that is a good look. I really like this. So yeah. Alright, so put the stuff away and the lip is on. Granted, I'm probably doing the most, but it's just like, I actually want this thing to stay on for a little while until we're able to get a better one. Or a better one, and one that is not broken. So what I'm considering doing is taping here and then plasti dipping this so it's sealed in. Because, I mean, plasti dip will just make like a layer of stuff so this at least sticks together a little more. But yeah, like it's moving a bit, but it's not gonna come off, like, because it's tucked inside, screwed here, then screwed up at the top. Hold on, let me do it at 1x. Put some flash so you guys can see. And then underneath, it's not done in the middle because there's a lot of space, but you can see down there and down there. Hopefully you guys saw. And then this right here, little bracket. So like stiff. It shouldn't really come off. I don't see why it would. Yeah, looks good. I really do like it, so hopefully it stays on for a while, you know. But brother, that's something that mean your fuck bumbo clot. The next thing I need is a power dome hood, which is the hood from the bumbo clot me I talk about. Me need hood bonnet. I need the bonnet from the X6M or X6 hybrid, which has a lump right here. Looks super sick. If I remember to actually be a good YouTuber and put effort into the video and edit it, I'll put a picture. But yeah, something's mean in it. It's fucking mean in it. Pre-dot blood cleat. That's something bad. Yeah, that's a good look. And water is gonna get down in there, like here and stuff, but again, it's just gonna go down. And again, it's not permanent. We're gonna eventually take this one off and replace it with another one, but hopefully for a couple months it lasts, because I don't want one anytime soon. Next is gonna be side skirt splitters. I do have the kind that I want. Well, not have, but I do know the kind that I want. I just got to get it. Then the rear diffuser trim, which is going to be this piece in carbon. And then another thing that I already mentioned in the part 1 of this video that I will not be giving you guys the sauce on, because I don't know if it's going to work. But I'll make it work. Well, I'm going to make it work, but it's not something that's ever been done before. There is somewhat of like a render type thing of it, but yeah, has not been done. So yeah,